So today I'm going to show you how to change the brake pad on your Mercedes. You have to set the electronic handbrakes into the brake pad replacement mode in order to change it. So first of all, we have to make sure that we have released our handbrake. Then use the arrow button on your steering wheel to show your odometer. Now this is the trick. So we press the call button first for 0.5 seconds and then the OK button simultaneously. This 0.5 seconds is very quick. You'll see display change into vehicle data. Next, scroll down to brake pad replacement. It will prompt you to move to fitting positions. If you already are, press OK to confirm. When you see the parking lights flashing, it means that the electrical motor is pulled back. And so at this point, you're free to replace the brake pad. Leave this mode there and finish your job. And after the replacement, you just need to press OK to make it back to normal conditions. After normalizing, it will prompt you to confirm with the message, fitting positions has been exited. Confirm with OK. And that's pretty much it.